teeth are perfect. My skirt is tiny. It barely covers
A big old dick!
I might as well hop in the bandwagon.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's so many things to tell her, but how to make her see? How shall I regain the heart she has won from me? Agony beyond power of speech. Hello, little girl, what's your rush? You're missing all the flowers. On the 15th of May, in the jungle of Nool, in the heat of the day, in the cool of the pool. I've had so much trouble finding my way there. When I get close, it disappears. Be our guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we'll provide the rest. Soup de jus, hot hors d'oeuvres, while we only live to...
Within these walls, we'll give it our all. We will not fall or fumble. We'll stage a coup and follow through. The king never knew he'd crumble. Be careful who you believe and who you can trust. Friend or foe, would they deceive to do what they must? The world will be ours when the stars are falling, and we will succeed.
I do theater, and if you're wondering if I'm good or not, here's one of my highlights.
Duet, this is Belle. She glanced this way, I thought I saw, and when we touched she didn't shudder at my paw. No, it can't be, I'll just ignore, but then she's never looked at me that way before.
New and a bit alarming. Who'd have ever thought that this could be true? That he's now Prince Charming, but there's something in him that I simply didn't see. For the first time in forever, such a fool, I can be free. Inside, out together, reverse the stormy waves. Don't make it wax. There's so much fear. Sunshine bright. We can face this thing together. We can change this thing together. And everyone I can't. You believe
Roles I've auditioned for versus roles I've gotten. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Arabian Nights, neath Arabian days. Is this home? Is this where I should learn to be happy? Never dream. Look there, he goes, isn't he dreamy? I give myself very good advice, but I very seldom follow it. Rose and violet garden last September. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high.
Thank you guys for 300K.
Oh, okay, it's working. Hi, Shrek. I know that you're off on another quest, but I need to tell you, Donkey and I have been taking care of the house. Everything is good. Everything is good. The swamp looks nice. The kids miss you. God, I guess I just have to say it. I slept with Donkey. I'm leaving you.
Why should I play the grieving girl and lie, saying that I miss you?
I'm just Michael, who you don't know. Michael flying solo. Michael in the bathroom by himself.
Cause at 8:46 there's been a terrorist action, and the one thing I loved more than anything was used as the bomb.
After each day, till it finally reminds her to fight just a little. Mama, won't you send a sign? I'm running out of hope and time. You can build me up, you can tear me down, you can try, but I'm unbreakable.
Been trapped where there ain't no future, even at 17. Breaking your back for someone else's sake.
Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh yeah.
Guys, let's get a cast photo. All the leads in front. Ensemble, get behind me. For our duet, are you trying to sing flat, or do you just not realize you're doing it? Sing, Don't worry if you forget a line. I memorized them all. Hey, can we go talk to the director about switching our bow order? Because I'm in more scenes than you, so I should be bowing last. The director just told me I'm better than Ben Platt. He's that guy from Pitch Perfect. I think he was on Broadway too once. I don't know.
Hey, Paris, woe in character. Alright, Pugsley, woe in character. Alice, woe in character.
I'm sorry, what's a woe?
Woe in character.
Well in character.
Grandma, woe in character. Mal, woe in character.
No.
Can I do something real quick? No. 3, 2, what?
I told you not to do that.
People have these little habits that get you down, like Bernie. Bernie liked to chew gum. No, not chew. Pop! So I came home this one day and I'm really irritated and I'm looking for a little bit of sympathy. And there's Bernie lying on the couch drinking a beer and chewing. No, not chewing. Pop it! So I said to him, I said, Bernie, you pop that gum one more time! And he did. So I took the shotgun off the wall and I fired 2 warning shots into his head!
It's a musical, a musical.
For all those who don't know, I'm a musical theater major in school, which means I've done a lot of auditions. So as a black person in musical theater in general, I was wondering if this has happened to anybody? I'll go into the audition and sing something from like Kiss Me Kate or Cabaret or She Loves Me. You know, something in the style of the show I'm auditioning for.
That was great. That was amazing. But I was wondering if you had anything from like The Color Purple or like Aida or Once on This Island. Yeah.
Don't single me out and then forget me. Oh God, let me fly. Send me to places no one before me has been.
Nobody bitches love me. Why?
Subject.